Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is on how to highlight your mouse cursor in Windows 11. This is a great little trick which you can use when you're doing presentations, YouTube videos, on-screen recording, things like that. So without further ado, let's quickly get into it. But before we do, guys, we are a brand new channel, so we really appreciate if you can give us a like, a thumbs up, a share, or a subscribe. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing to do in Windows 11 is basically go to your search and then just type in mouse. So you get mouse settings, so just click that and then you will see something like this. Just scroll all the way down and go to mouse pointer. And now here you can see by default you've got the regular mouse, the small one activated. You've got 4 different options. You've got a black one, you've got a inverted one, and then you've got a colored one. So let's just pick the color one. And now you also have the option to actually choose a color. So whichever color you fancy, green, orange. So you can see this has changed. I'm just gonna maybe choose red. So just choose red. Done. And then here you have the option to increase the size. So there you go. Now it's become nice and big, and that's pretty much it. This mouse I think is really good to highlight, so your students or your colleagues or whoever you're doing it for can follow your mouse when you're doing on-screen presentation or an on-screen video. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, again, we're a brand new channel. Really appreciate a subscribe or a like or a comment, and see you guys in the next video. Take care and goodbye.